Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for session to us. This is Muhammad Irwan Fadil Nasution, our colleague Nurbaiti, Nur Laila, Tri Indah Padilla Rahma, Kamila. We are from Universitas Islam Negeri Sumatera Utara. Our research title face recognizing login authentication for digital payment solution at COVID-19 pandemic. This is a background. On March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization has announced status of the global pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019, or also called coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. The World Health Organization defined this disease as a pandemic because all citizens of the world are potentially exposed to COVID-19 infection. This is very dangerous. So the impact is the coronavirus pandemic has destroyed the world economy. Almost all small and medium business turnover is affected by the coronavirus. Entrepreneur and business people must be able to find new opportunity to survive in the midst of a crisis. So, and then human continue to research. Human continue to research and seek solution to survive and then adapt to the new normal order. In the new normal condition, business activity in the community began to take place according to health protocol as the figure. This is must according this protocol, health protocol. Use face masks in a public space, physical distancing, and this is a very important. Don't touch object anything. Referring the research and also the WHO information that COVID-19 can survive on object surface. Like this picture, uh, the COVID-19 virus can survive for up 7 to hours on plastic and stainless, less than 4 hours on cardboard, and less than 24 hours on cardboard. To avoid COVID-19, please do not touch anything if you out home. This is very important. And then this is a problem. Currently in the new normal era, offline market is open and making transaction. You can use cash money, e-money, digital money to make payment transaction. If using cash money or e-money, you make transaction, then you need to touch them. You need to touch the card, like this picture. You need to touch to insert your PIN for authorization. So this is dangerous for COVID-19 because you touch the object. And how technology can solve this problem? This is a possible to develop technique for the identification or verification of reliable and accurate of biometric technology that utilize special characteristic of the individual such as face, iris, fingerprint, signature, and etc. As this picture. And then for this research, we are using face print. Why using face print? Because the following reason. Is the first one affordable. For facial verification, we only need a camera. Camera can capture the picture and record. And the second, remote verification is possible. It only requires you to show your face in front of the camera, and the scanner will do its work to unlock your device. And the third, easy of use. On most devices with a facial recognition feature, the face verification can take place seamlessly. It is fast, effortless, and efficient. It has been a breakthrough in biometric authentication. And the last reason is very important is security. Facial ID verification has a high acceptability rate than fingerprints. They are also universal in nature, as every person has facial feature, but not everyone has fingerprint. Facial recognition is fast and secure. It allows many businesses to verify their customer within seconds and can eliminate the threat of identify fraud, like this picture. And how? This is a procedure or a money transaction. You are using a money like debit card, credit card, and etc. If you need to file your transaction in the merchant, you need using a card, and then you give your card to uh, the the person, then and then your card will be like this picture, and you need to touch them for insert your pin to authorizing. But our proposed e-money transaction, you're using PassPrint for authorization, not PIN. This is the procedure like this picture, and the customer only show your face in front of the camera to make the device to make the payment. And this is very important. You do not touch anything, just show your face in front of the camera. This is our conclusion for our research. The first, the unique characteristic of the human body would be very difficult to fake. Therefore, security systems that use biometric technology will be difficult to break. In the way, we can bond digital data to our identity with permanency, consistency, and ambiguity, and retrieve that data using computer in a rapid and automated fashion. The second, face recognizing is the latest technology that allows us to identify or verify a person's face through a three-dimensional digital image. Then the last conclusion, if using biometric technique, it is no longer necessary to remember the PIN and or password, because the security device is the body itself. So it will facilitate the mobility of every person to make payment transaction anywhere without having to be bothered to bring a money card, and to avoid COVID-19 transmission. To each card user customer as a mean of payment the offline market, because use face ID require no physical contact. This is very important. I think this is the last our presentation, and thank you to all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.